No time. Get it, Jordan. Looking good, looking good. All right, bring it on out here, bring it on out here. Throw some light on that bike. Come on, Jordan, come on, Jordan. Looking good, looking good. Good finish. William McCorn, Super Taz, with a JBU tune-up on it. Alright, now watch this, make a left-hander. You gotta stretch it out one time, got him a brand new Jeff Brown Engineering tune-up on it, let's see how it goes. He's been coming, don't keep all that love now, don't keep all that love. Come on, William, come on, William. Looking good. Woo! Y'all got him on top of William McCord. Not sure what it was, but whatever it was, Trey didn't like it. Barely broke on the truck. He is done for that. Hugh Williams, you will be up next. Hugh. All right. Come on, Hugh. Working on that ride a whole bunch. Doing really good. The Mudcat, Small Block Ford Power Plant. Looking good there, Hugh. Conversation with Will Fowler and Wayne Silver. Hi, Dwayne. Bring it on. Stay with it, Dwayne. Big finish, Dwayne. Come on. That's Pennsylvania Suzuki Samurai. Dwayne Childs. Please make welcome Bob Carter. Chevrolet power plant. The very old Dan Owens. Get it done. Look at here, look at here, look at here. Here we go. Here comes the Mustang. Well, be sure to keep all that mud now. Looking good, looking good, looking good. A little off key. Woo! Man, he drove deep into that turn. Everybody's chasing down the car right now at a 52. Greg Hickle. Hi, Greg. Take finish. Do that one time. Even though they got something going on, looks like it's two-wheel drive, I'm just not sure which two. Metal trucks, stage your vehicles on this time, metal trucks, stage them up. Running J. Racing engines, helping him out. Two-wheel drive. Two-wheel drive for Josh. Mega trucks, stage your vehicles at this time. Mega trucks, stage them up. Something's up, but whatever it is, Jordan doesn't like it. Possibly something on the left front. But the good part is she's got the experience. She knows something is up. Yeah, maybe a left front. He's got the daylights out of it, that's for sure. Mega truck, stage him up. All right, Jordan, come on this way. They're doing pretty good. I think she may just be calling it a day. Nope. Mega trucks, stage your vehicles, mega trucks, stage them up. All right. She's got the ball out of Gaston, South Carolina. William McCoy, Super Taz. He had the quick time, first pass. With a 52.840. Let's see how he does here. Looking good. He's in. Jason Chancy. Jeff Brown Engineering Power Plant. Right now they're just trying to make sure the nut behind the steering wheel doesn't come loose. Looking good. All right, William McCoy. Super Taz! Bell's Transmissions. One of our modified sponsors. Make sure for all your transmission needs, go by and check out Bell's Transmissions in St. Matthews, South Carolina. Hang on, Dwayne. Hang on, Dwayne. He's on the beach, man. Megatrucks, start them up, Megatrucks, start them up. All right. Bring it on, Thomas. Bring it on, Thomas. Thomas got this. Got this really trying to get it to his likings, and when he does, and he's already doing pretty good. There you go, Thomas. Carter, bring it up next. Two-wheel drive for Bob. Front end not working. Megatrucks, if he's not already. Megatrucks, stage him up. Megatrucks, stage him up. All right, Bob. Big finish there, Bob. Doing good. Two-wheel drive. Please make welcome next the Mustang Southern Mud Mafia. Get on there, there you go, that's right. Keep it up underneath you, watch him. Bring it on in to the, stretch it on out. Good job. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Greg had a 55.068 first round. Let's see how it goes here. Aaron Rodgers, we have good payout. Aaron Rodgers, we have good payout. Looking good, looking good. Adam Water. Good finish there, Adam. Come on, man. Yeah, good job.